The Bihar Legislative Assembly, also known as the Bihar Vidhan Sabha, is the lower house of the bicameral legislature of the Indian state of Bihar. The Bihar Legislative Assembly came into existence in 1937. The assembly had a strength of 152 members. According to the provisions of the Constitution of India, the first general elections in the state were held in 1952. The total strength of membership in the assembly was 331, including one nominated member. Dr. Shri Krishna Singh became the first leader of the House and the Chief Minister. Dr. Anugrah Narayan Singh was elected the first deputy leader of the Assembly and became state's first deputy chief minister. It was reduced to 318 during the second general elections. In 1977, the total number of elected members of the Bihar Legislative Assembly was further raised from 318 to 324. With the creation of a separate state of Jharkhand by an act of parliament titled as the Bihar Reorganization Act, the strength of the Bihar Legislative Assembly was reduced from 324 to 243 members. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.